Today we have a lovely Porsche, a 1963 356C sunroof coupe, and in one of the best colors ever, Bali Blue. Let's take it for a ride and put it through its paces. Come on. So I did drive this in this morning, and I got here at 10 o'clock and put my first 28 miles on it. And I guess now that it's almost 5 o'clock, this is our cold start. There we have it. So let's get on the road. Let's warm it up. As we've said on a number of occasions in the past with 356s, they do everything right and put a smile on your face, especially when they're in exceptional condition such as this. Original colors, Bali Blue and tan, numbers matching, electric sunroof, which is extremely nice, and it's factory. It's converted to 12 volt. Nice wooden Carrera optional steering wheel, which is neat. It is really cool. All the weather stripping is wonderful. It's probably one of the quietest 356s we've ever owned as far as seals and wind noise. Not that there aren't others, but this one surprised me, especially from the vent windows and everything else. Great gearbox, clutch. I'd love to have several 356s in inventory, but it is just so extremely rare to find them in this condition and structure. So it does everything right, everything is working. I mean, the clock's not working. Let's not ask for too much. But the clock can be converted to quartz as well, and we can make that work. We're going to drive through some back roads and then do our flybys and let the car speak for itself. Well, she's all warmed up. We're gonna take her down on the twisties here. Show you how much fun they are on the back roads. Just fabulous cars to drive. Not the fastest in the world, but again, a ton of fun. Disc brakes, plenty of power to cruise on the highway. They are really just exceptional workhorses. And people use them in the day in all sorts of weather, so it's extremely hard to find a good one these days because they've been cobbled up. So we will show you. I just want everyone to know that if you look outside right now, the autumn foliage is beautiful, and that's what Jason is all about. So we'll see you in a couple of seconds for our flybys. Get out of the car.
See you in a second.
Out of the car.
Look at that gorgeous foliage.
Well, as you can see, it sounds great from the outside. A couple more twisties here, and we'll be on the farm road, the FFR road, and show you how she cruises a little bit. Although she's doing quite fine here as well. They're really great tour cars. You know, you can carry anything. It's a wonderful car to use for the weekend, around town, for a nice little journey into the country, for a road trip for that matter. And I've driven these for many years on several rallies from state to state. 356s are special little cars, and as I said earlier, even better when they're actually exceptional and structurally sound and cared for and maintained. So we will sit here at the light, then we'll go down the farm road, then we will take her back, clean her up, put her through the shop, make sure everything is sorted and ready for its next ownership. So all we need is for this light to turn green.
Whoa, whoa.
Is this a whoa, whoa?
What kind of bug is that?
What kind of bug?
Tom.
I hate bugs. I hate bugs.
Oh man. Okay. All right. Oh god. Oh god.
Hey, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we are on the farm road. First gear, second gear, third gear. Go fourth. And as you can see, she's cruising quite nicely at 65, 70 all day long. She tracks really well and brakes exceptionally well. Downshift a little bit, get back on her, and hope that everyone has enjoyed this road test of our 63 356C sunroof coupe, factory sunroof coupe. Matching numbers, Bali Blue and Tan. Jason, I would like to thank you once again for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you on the next one.
See ya.